begin with all the earnings action. L&T Finance has posted its results today. Their net profits rising this time to 171 crores versus 141 crores. Net sales have grown at 1,130 crores versus 854 crores. The company recorded a one-time loss of 3.81 crores. Deshri is with the management of L&T Finance Holding. Let's listen into their conversation.
We have with us Mr. N. Sivaraman, who is of L&T Finance Holdings. So thanks a lot for talking to us. So firstly, I would like to ask you about the consolidated profits you have seen at least 23% and more. But what has been the entire drivers for this consolidated profit? And if you talk about, there has been some drag because of the asset management business. If you could take us through all that.
The NBFC businesses have contributed to about 30% growth in the PAT as compared to about 400 odd crores of rupees in the last year. The NBFC profits are about 612 crores in the current year. It's something which is heartening. It's in line with the asset growth, despite higher levels of delinquencies and perhaps a slightly stressed margin in the current year as compared to the last year. This growth has been achieved largely on account of operational improvements as well as trying to attempt for longer tenure loans and trying to get a better margin. The asset management business has not been a drag. I think this business is going through an investment phase at this point of time. As we mentioned at the time of the press conference very clearly, the current run rate on a monthly basis is definitely better than what it would have been if I do a simple addition of the costs and revenues of L&T Mutual Fund and Fidelity Mutual Fund as they existed before the merger. So it's in the right path. We have had a certain amount of integration related costs as a one-time cost during the last 2 quarters. In addition to that, has been some investment in the brand building, which is essential when we are taking over a fairly large and retail-oriented business. These investments have definitely put a stress on the overall profit loss from this business. But I think we are pretty close to seeing a turnaround, or rather turnaround in the sense that we should reach a break-even. The turnaround in terms of improving, reducing the losses have already happened.
All right, and still on earnings, Idea Cellular